Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to go over the differences between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Now, let's start with the basics. So a mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are not chemically bonded. So it's multiple parts in one combined. So then if we start with a homogeneous mixture, and then we can put heterogeneous to the side so we can compare the two. A homogeneous mixture it looks the same throughout. Now that's the most important thing to remember. You can't see the different parts because the particles are evenly mixed. So under homogeneous, we can write that looks the same. You can't see the different parts. Now examples of this could be the air. We could say that the air, because our air has oxygen and nitrogen, but we can't see the different parts. It could be, another example could be salt water. If you go to the ocean, you can't see the salt and you can't see the water, but if you taste it, it obviously tastes salty, right? And if you ever scoop any part of a homogeneous mixture, it'll be the same composition as it is throughout the entire thing. That's also important to note. And then now if we move over to heterogeneous mixtures, a heterogeneous mixture does not look uniform. It does not look the same. The substances are not evenly mixed, and you can usually see the different parts. So for the first note, we can say does not look the same. An example of this could be oil and water. If you put oil and water in a cup, for example, you will see the layer of oil and the layer of water. That's a heterogeneous mixture. We can go cereal and milk as another example. Another example could be pizza. The idea is that in all of these, we can see numerous different things in the mixture. The different parts have different properties. So if you scoop one part of a heterogeneous mixture, the properties will be mixed in differently than another part. Whereas in a homogeneous mixture, it's all mixed the same. And just as a key note, remember that if you're ever asked a question, if it looks the same all the way through, it's homogeneous. And if it looks different in different parts, it's heterogeneous. So next time you're eating lunch or mixing something in the lab, take a second and ask, is this a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture? It's a small distinction, but it's a key concept in understanding matter and chemistry. Thank you.